One.
Hi, everybody. This video is to accompany any grammar review homework that I've sent home because I know that the directions are sometimes confusing, especially if you're a parent helping along a student. So, the directions at the top of the page say label the parts of speech in the following sentences, circle the nouns, box adjectives and draw arrows to the nouns that they describe, and draw wiggly lines under the verbs. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples here with these two sentences I have on the screen, and then hopefully you can try a couple on your own for your grammar review homework. First of all, top sentence says, Mom left a ham in the big black pan. Well, the first thing the directions say is to circle the nouns. Nouns are people, places, or things. So mom is a person, so I'm going to draw a circle around that. Left a ham. Ham is a thing, so we can put a circle around that. As soon as I get a mouse here, okay, and then we have ham. And then in the big black pan, pan is also a noun. Okay, step one done. Let's do the next one. Box up the adjectives. I'm going to change to a different color to do the adjectives and a slightly smaller line. Mom left a ham. So this word here, which is called an article, is working as an adjective. In the is also an article and it's working as an adjective. So I'm going to put a box around it. Big, that's an adjective. And black. Remember, adjectives are words that describe nouns. And here we have a couple nouns that are being described with some extra words. Now, let's go back to the first one. The third step is we need to draw a line from the adjective to the noun it's describing. Well, right here we have a ham. A is describing the ham, so let's put a little arrow there. This word the is describing the pan. Big is describing the pan. Black is describing the pan. Okay. Now, the last thing to do is it says the directions say to draw a wiggly line under the verb. So I'm going to change colors again. Let's see. I think green will show up pretty well. Going to leave it a little smaller. And so mom is our subject. What did she do? Well, she left the ham. So left is where we put that wiggly line because that's the action word that describes what she did. Okay, let's try the second sentence. If you want to pause the video and write down the sentence and diagram it, you can. I'll start in 3, 2, 1. Okay, here we go. Second sentence says, the purple jacket is getting too small. The purple jacket is getting too small. Step 1, circle the nouns. Jacket is a noun, so I'm going to circle it. Is getting too small. Nope, no other nouns there. Now let's go to the adjectives. So I'm going to get out a different color. Now, of course, you can be doing this just in pencil. You don't need to change up colors. I'm doing it so that you can see the differences in the jobs. So now I need to box up my adjectives. Well, I know that the is a special kind of adjective called an article that tells us if it's a specific or a general one, or any of them in the group. Purple is an adjective, describes the color of the jacket. So let's put a box around that. Whoops, box got a little crooked. Is getting too small. Too small. me finish making the box here. Okay. So now I need to draw lines to the noun that all of these are describing. Well, obviously there's only one noun, so everybody's talking about the jacket. The is referring to the jacket. Purple is referring to the jacket. Too small is referring to the jacket. And that leaves us with the last job, which is, where is the verb? Well, in this case, the verb has a helping verb and then the action verb. So the verb is actually is getting. So let's put our wiggly line under there. Okay. I hope that helped with your grammar review homework. And remember, it's okay to ask for help in class, or parents, you can write at the top, we need more work in class on this, and then I can work with your student one-on-one. Thank you. Bye-bye.